Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about s equals to negative t. So this one, because we change s into negative t, so I will put this one gone here. Later that we simplify negative and negative for the both sides, and we have t approach to positive infinity. So this one we change like this. S we change by negative t. Because this one they always the positive, because the power is about even power. So this one we have t squared. Next we divide by t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have negative number 1. T go inside the square root, and we have like this. So t squared divided by t squared, number 1 divided by t squared. So we have 1 plus 1 over t squared. So when t approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one we have 1 divided by positive infinity. You got 0. And now we can simplify like this. And this one we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.